Are you tired of being locked out of your home or car? Do you need a reliable and professional locksmith service? Look no further than Auto Locksmith Boca. Call us at 561-769-0666. At Auto Locksmith Boca, our highly skilled locksmith team is available 24/7 to help you with all your lock and key needs. We're here for you if you've lost your keys or need to upgrade your security system. Our services include emergency lockout services for homes and cars, key duplication and replacement, high security lock installations, master key systems, automotive transponder keys. We use only the latest and most advanced tools and techniques to ensure the safety and security of your property. We understand the importance of quick and efficient service at Auto Locksmith Boca. That's why we guarantee a fast response time and affordable prices for all our services. Don't get stuck with a broken lock or lost key. Trust the experts at Auto Locksmith Boca for all your locksmith needs. Call us now to schedule an appointment or for emergency service at 561-769-0666. Your security is our top priority. Choose Auto Locksmith Boca, the leading locksmith service in Boca Raton, Florida. Call now at 561-769-0666.